Beautiful large home approximately 7 miles from town and 1/2 mile from Lake Wilhelmina. Open concept in living kitchen dining room west fireplace. 2 bedroom and 2 bath west huge laundry office space on the main floor. Newly remodeled basement west living area, 3 bedrooms, large bath and utility room. Lots of storage closet space throughout. Shop west balcony for storage, shed and fence chicken pen west houses. Generac generator. Beautiful yard with landscaping and trees. Woods west creek and wildlife. Porch, deck, patio and much more.